ADA, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, first of all, if we refer to our analysis, when the price was exactly within the here, we mentioned anyone get the trade from here, they have to start to manage because we were expecting this one either to drop or it turn for deeper correction. All right. Anyway, we didn't have any trade set up from here. The only thing is we mentioned if we can get the flag, we can look for trade. All right. But there was no proper trade setup. And as we can see, the price drop. All right. And now we move to higher time frame. We move to daily chart. And again, based on daily chart, we mentioned if we're looking for continuation, we can expect to get the correction here. Now this is what we get. Now we want to see whether this is the start of the reversal or we can get the correction here. Anyway, right now we cannot confirm. We have to wait. And if we move to forward chart, all right, this is what we get. All right, the only thing is right now we want to see whether this is the start of the down move or not, because I was keep mentioning maybe we get the flat here in relative to this. That's why when we were trading, I was keep mentioning any trade setup we get, we should have the proper management in case this one tend to bigger correction. All right, now we get the down move. Now, if we get a correction here, we can expect the price to drop. All right, this is what I was keep highlighting. As we can see, the way it's drop is quite sharp. All right, but right now we cannot confirm. We want to see what we get here, whether we can get the correction for continuation or reversal. All right, if we want to look for trade, we need to be quite careful. And even if you move to 1 hour chart, we cannot confirm. The only thing is, the question is whether, as I mentioned, this is the start of the down move or is a correction, because still we can look for this one as a flat. All right, that means if we want to look for trade, we need to wait what we get here. If this one start to correct, it give us a correction for down move, then we can consider this is the start of the down move and we can look for sell. But if we get any reversal, we can look for buy. All right, based on forward chart, still I mean, as I mentioned, if we refer to the forward chart, still we can consider we are looking for this one as expanding flat. The issue with this expanding flat is mostly is not easy to trade. How deep it can go, maybe the price can drop, even the possibility of the price to retest the previous low here, or even this one is very low. The only things we can say, it can turn to a deeper correction. All right, but if the price couldn't broke this low top, the previous top, if it's somewhere around here we get a down move, we could expect the price to retest the low. All right, the only things we can consider, maybe this one can turn to a bigger correction. That's why still we can look at this one as a 1 hour chart for flat, internal flat in relative to this move. Okay, that means still we can expect for the reversal. But anyway, right now we don't have any trade set up. We have to wait and see what we get here, either the correction for continuation or reversal. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.